In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove this Google search bar from the home screen on any Android smartphone. Today, I'm going to use Samsung Galaxy S23. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and if you have this Google search bar at any of your home screens, you might have it at the main home screen. I have it at the second one. It doesn't really matter where it is located, because all we have to do in order to get rid of it is just long press at this widget until it shows you the options, and among them here we can easily find remove. All we have to do is just tap on it to quickly remove Google search bar from your home screen. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.